what's the biggest mistake people make when trying to whiten their teeth? I'm scheduled for a whitening treatment next week, so I'd really appreciate knowing the key do's and don'ts before and after the procedure to get the best results and avoid any issues.
All right, so you can definitely carry on with your routine life before you do the whitening, but some of the biggest mistakes people make are the to do the at-home whitening right before they go into the professional whitening treatment, because your dentist has some certain expectations to what materials they are going to use based on what they are going to see on their teeth, and depending on your expectation of how many shades that you want to whiten. But if you are going to overuse the chemicals, because your dentist may not know what chemicals that you are using at home, and if you end up using the chemicals over, and particularly if you are not disclosing to the dentist what are you using at home, then it can definitely increase the sensitivity. So what else can you do? What else you can do? You can use some regular brushing, and you can remove some of the stains from some of the regular toothpaste that you use, but don't use like real too much whitening toothpaste or a charcoal or too much hydrogen peroxide. That will increase the sensitivity. But what can you do to decrease the sensitivity issues, or to prevent any problems? Like, don't do too much whitening because it might increase the sensitivity, or don't do at-home whitening or continue without the recommendation of the dentist. And then the whitening is going to disappear if you do not follow the instructions, using the proper mouthwash, not eating a lot of colored food or spicy food, or not using not smoking or using any type of tobacco products, or particularly chewing tobacco products. And these are the absolute must. And even coffee might stain your teeth. These are the absolute must. Either you should totally avoid, or if you're drinking coffee and such, maybe cut down on that, particularly if you want to keep your Hollywood teeth.